Good morning, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. I'd like for everybody to take note of something. This is an update from yesterday. Please take a notice that, two things really. You see this nice little round object right here? Here and here. That's one thing to take notice of. It's very interesting, ain't it? Almost like our sun is again giving birth. Look how it stays nice and rounded right there. It actually concaves in this way, and this one concaves in this way. Isn't that interesting? I find it to be very interesting, but that's just one part. Okay, let's take a look at this. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like it's pushing our second sun away. Look. See now, please pay attention to this. And this, I really tried to express this to everyone. If it was a flare, it would just come out, like this. Notice how it looks like it's pushing right behind something round and large in front of it. Like a second sun. You know what I mean? I mean, let's be honest here, folks. Let's come over here and do this one. Oh yeah, look at that. Interesting, isn't it? So, aside from that, and I'm going to screenshot with you because I'm going to do some adjusting on it. Now, aside from that, something to take note. Particles don't stop. And this is what I mean. Now you see all the particles. This is all plasma, radiation, right? We know that. But watch. Dope. Sorry. So we got the initial blast of that, right? But let's back her up just a minute, right where we're pushing off. Look at that. It's gorgeous, right? Still beautiful. It's still there. Now the particles start to hit, right? But watch this. So that flare in plasma should have been passed by now because that was fast moving, right? That erupted at 1536. What in the world? This is 9 hours later almost. Look at this. They just don't stop coming. They just don't stop. That's not good. Not good at all. And then when you add up the and we had two M-class flares this morning, but they're saying there's no coronal mass ejection. Really? And what in the crap is all of this? I'd like to know that, because that's a lot. Wouldn't you say? Now we're going to come over here to the blue one here in a second, but I'm just going to show you guys something. Oh, look. There's a little friend right there. Wings and a tail up here, and he's going this way. There's one. Oh, come on. Where's my little guy? I seen him earlier. I just wanted to point him out to you. Well, here's one. I didn't see other. He's actually going like this direction. Start paying attention. You'll start seeing them. You'll actually, if you go back and watch some of my previous videos, brothers and sisters, you'll actually be able to. I'll start pointing them out when we don't have all this clutter, and that's a nice thing about all this clutter is that it's gonna be harder for you to spot which one's which. Isn't that convenient? Here we go. Right here. Looks like a little ball, and then it's got lines coming out each side. Yeah, that's because he's coming straight at us. But look at these clumps of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like triangles. Okay, so I just went back up. I had to find him. So at 36 minutes after midnight UTC time on the 29th. There he is. Right here. Let's do a little of this for you. See him? That ain't no planet, folks. Not even a little bit. Nope. So, now we'll come over here. And the same thing. The particles don't stop. At all. They just don't. That's a little concerning if you ask me. So stay safe. Like I said, we got 2 M-class flares, but I can't see evidence of chronomass ejection on Solar Dynamic Observatory. But with all of this in the air or in space coming at us still, yeah, it's pretty evident that it's going to last a while. You know, like 10 days of darkness maybe, because we keep getting blasted with it. Oh look, right here, it almost looks like there's one right there, and he's going, and his tail is going that way. We can do that little checkout, can't we? Let's do a little see. Look right there. Oh look, there's one there. Now this over here is Venus, by the way. There's another one right here going this way. Yeah, it's going to be harder to pick them out now, folks. So go back and watch some of my other videos on the matter and train your eyes to be able to look through which is which. Because then you can see him stuff like, look at that. Oh, right here. Hey there, fella. There's his wings, his head, and his tail just like a bird. And he's going this way. Oh, they're getting harder to spot. Well, there's a couple reasons for it. Of course, we know most of us know that the blackout's coming. Global currency, and really the Nasara Jasara, ending of things that were, starting of things that are new. But they don't want us to see what's going on out here either. It's like the final battle. It's the final countdown. That's where we're at, folks. The final countdown. Stay safe. Love y'all. Okay, last thing before I go. This is driving me nuts. I want everybody to pay attention to this for a minute, okay? Here we're at SDO, and we're gonna get right up to. We're actually right before the pop, if you will. Okay, and I want everybody to kind of watch something. I can't prove this by any means, but did you guys see that? Blink. Blink. Did you see that? See the flare? You can see these right here, these little wave patterns like that. That's indicative of a flare, okay? But what is that? Now I've had people say, "Oh no, that's just how the way the light hits it." Okay. If you know, I'll take that in. Oh look, friend. I could accept that. However, you see that one, smaller one, coming up to hit here. So as it's flaring, that's the way that it reads it, right? So they're saying. But look here. It's starting to flare, and there's none of that there. Oh, where did it go? It's flaring there. You kind of see something here, but then now here we got the flare. I mean, you can see the wave patterns there, the flare, and you can see the chronomass ejection, right? I mean, that's pretty decent. That might be true. But where did it go? It's still in flare. It's still flaring. You see how bright it is. It's still flaring. So where is that beam light that we just saw? Where did that go? Oh, wait a minute. Here. And there's another flare. So this one down here, this was our big flare, our X1 that we just had. Oh look, friend, going down this way. Here's the X. There's that light coming down. Why does it do that? Only occasionally. In fact, actually, if you look here, it almost looks like there's a beam coming here going, hitting the sun. Either that or it's a craft going away from the sun. We got friends all over. See? Like there's one right over here. Hi, friend. So, if anyone can explain that to me, that would be great. Oh, friend off to the right. See him? How you doing, buddy? Going straight down, not curving towards the sun, which is the highest magnetized item in our solar system. He's going straight down. See, look, it's flaring, but where's that light? Where's the beam? Interesting, isn't it? So we'll just keep going here for a minute, and we'll see. We'll actually get to it here in a second. Oh, there we go again. Beam. Beginnings. I think they put the beam. I think they're shooting a beam, which causes the flare, and then they extract it. Because look, it's getting bigger. The light's there, more light, and yet there's no beam. How does that make sense? Woo, that's a nice one. So, lower right, there's another one. How does that make sense? And see, look, it's flaring. Look at this. It just flared again. Flare, boom, but there's no beam. So, you tell me, folks. Do you think this is all planned? Be safe. Love you. Open your eyes and wake up, people. We're not alone. There are entities that are doing this.